Welcome to AMS. Today in this video we are going to solve a question, and the given question is 27 is to power a plus 1 over 27 is to power a equal to 7, and which is a given equation, and I am representing this equation as equation number 1. Now the next equation is 3 is to power 9a plus 1 over 3 is to power 9a, which is a required equation, and I am representing this equation as equation number 2. Now, in order to solve the second equation, first we should apply the cube on the both sides of the equation 1 in power. As a result, we will get 27 is to power a plus 1 over 27 is to power a overall power cube equal to 7 is to power cube. Now, as we know that if two values having the plus or positive sign between them and having overall power 3, which is called a plus b whole cube formula, will be equal to a is to power cube plus b is to power cube plus 3ab into a plus b. If this 27 is to power a is a value, or we call this value is a, and this 1 over 27 is to power a is we call this value as b, and you can see that these overall value having a power cube, then we can open or expand this value by this formula. How? Simply we will replace a inside this formula with this 27a, and we will replace b in this formula from this 1 over 27 is to power a, and as a result we will get 27 overall power 3a plus 1 over 27 overall power 3a plus 3 into 27 is to power a into 1 over 27 is to power a into 27 is to power a plus 1 over 27 is to power a on the left side of the equation, and the right side of the equation, which is 7 is to power 3, will be equal to 343, because the cube of 7 will be equal to 343. Now we can see that this 27 is to power a and this 27 is to power a are existing in multiplication division values, so both values will cancel together, and as a result in the next step we can replace this value from this 27 or 7. So as a result we will get this 3 will remain same, and we replace this value with this 7 by equation number 1, and this 343 will remain same. Now you can see that this 27 can be written as 3 is to power 3, and this 3a will remain same, and in the same way this 1 over 27 can be written as 1 over 3 overall power 3, and this 3a will remain same. Simply we converted this 27 and this 27 is equal to 3 is to power 3. Now in the next step, this 3 will multiply together and we will get 3 is to power 9a. This 3 and this 3 will multiply together, as a result we will get 9a, and this 3 will multiply with this 7, we will get 21, and this 343 will remain same. Now in the next step, this 21 will move to the other side of the equation and convert into minus 21, and we will get on the right side of the equation as 343 minus 21, and on the left side of the equation we will get 3 is to power 9a, because we open these values by applying this power on all values, and we will get 3 is to power 9a plus this 1. When we apply this 9a on this one, we will get 1 as same as before, and when we apply this power on this 3 value, we will get 3 is to power 9a. Now in the next step we should minus this 21 from this value, and as a result we will get 322, and this is the answer for this expression. I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.